I'm Chantelle and I joined Victrex in January 2013. Currently I'm working in the R&D department in the chemistry team, and I work as a scientist in new polymers. I was really impressed with sort of the reach of the company, how big it was. And then I came to the site and saw the labs that I was going to be working in and all that, and everything was really well presented, all really well equipped. It was just all really professional looking, so it impressed me. I'm constantly challenged and pushed, and I think that's important for certain people. You need something that keeps you kind of entertained and challenged all the time, and Victrex certainly does that for me. Everything that we do is new and innovative. It's always interesting, it's never stood still. You're always kind of at the forefront of what you're doing, and that, again, it challenges me, it keeps me interested and engaged with what I'm doing. I was lucky enough to start at the company as a technician, and then a few years after that I was lucky enough to be given the opportunity to move to a scientist grade. I've also recently been given the opportunity to run our analytical lab, learning new areas of the business and being exposed to different areas of the business. I've been really lucky while I've been here. I've had a few different managers and they've all been really supportive of me, so I've been allowed a fair amount of freedom in choosing the path that I wanted to go down, and my managers have always been supportive of that. Very passionate, pretty clever, overachievers, I would say, in general. Generally the status quo isn't good enough here, so it's really engaging to work with people like that. At the minute I'm happy staying in the lab and just gaining as much technical experience as I can. Within Victrex, you do have a certain amount of freedom to choose that kind of thing as well. So if I want to stay lab-based and technical-based, I've been allowed to make that decision. If I change my mind and I suddenly wanted to move into leadership, I would be supported in that. There's always the opportunity to develop your skills and develop your knowledge of other areas. You are exposed to operations down the road, or marketing, or product management, that kind of thing. So you can develop that way, and you are exposed to other areas like that. I'm a lot more confident than when I first started here. My communication skills weren't great, and I have developed with that through basically the training that I've been offered. Victrex have invested a lot of time and funds into its staff and offering them the training that they need to develop themselves. So for anybody wanting to do that and wanting to be challenged and pushed forward to grow, I think it'd be the ideal place for them to work. If anybody asked me, I'd say it's a good place to work. I think that kind of sums it up. Say yes to any opportunities that you're offered, even if they push you outside your comfort zone or they aren't exactly what you want to do. Just say yes to them and you will always gain something from doing an opportunity like that, I would say.